In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook username. Facebook username gives you a unique identity so that people can search for you quite easily on Facebook. And in order to change your Facebook username, you have to stick to this video to see the entire steps. On your Facebook home feed, proceed to click on your profile icon on the top right corner. Then you need to scroll down till you locate settings and privacy. Then proceed to click on settings. On this interface under account center, make sure to click on see more in account center. Then you have to scroll down a bit to locate accounts. Then you have to proceed to click on profiles on this interface. Make sure to select the account that you want to change the username. In my case, I want to select Mubarick Mohammed, which is my Facebook account. On this interface, you have the option to select username, so proceed to select it. So currently my username is Mubarick Mohammed Usman. So if you want to change it, you can proceed to click on this box, then make the necessary change, but make sure the username is available. After making the necessary changes and the name is available, you can proceed to click on done. Alright, that's it. Your username has been changed successfully. If you check this, we have Mubarick Mohammed, which is my current name, but the username is Mubarick Mohammed Usman, which is different from this. So this is the unique name attached to my Facebook account. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button and share it to your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.